my friends, my name is Shayan and you are watching Techno Creators. In this video, I will show you how to make a very bright 90 watt LED torch with inbuilt power bank of 12,000 mAh. So let's get started.
First, I take an aluminum box of 6 by 4 inches. I get my one from local hardware store. Then I drill some holes as shown in this video for potentiometers and power bank module. I enlarge the holes by this triangle sander as they mirror the size of USB ports and switches. Take one side of box and mark its place for LEDs. My ones are of two different colors, warm and white. These LEDs have very super bright light and they are 3 watt LEDs. Link of these LEDs are in description. You can buy from there. Then I sander the aluminum box and uses this heatsink compound for better heat transfer, as the box can be used as an heatsink. Then I stick the LEDs to the box, but in different way. I first stick the white LED and then warm LED and then again white LED and then warm LED and so on, and uses heat tape at the behind LEDs terminals for preventing from short circuit. Then I connect the negative terminal of all LEDs to a wire. And then connect the positive wire to the warm LEDs. Then it's good idea to check all the connections. Then connect another positive wire to the white LEDs. Then solder a negative insulated wire to the negative terminal of LEDs. Then connect one positive wire to the warm LEDs and another positive wire to the white LEDs. Check all the connections are working properly or not with a 3.7 volt battery. Then I drill 2 holes and pass the wires through them. Then I use fixed resistor potentiometers as they can control the brightness of LEDs. I put the purchasing link of these potentiometers in the description. You can buy from there. Then I solder 2 positive wires of LEDs to the 2 potentiometer switch and connect the 2 potentiometers in parallel to get single positive wire. To the box. small LED light. I glued a piece of transparent plastic at the bottom of module to avoid short circuit by aluminum box. I removed the LED on module and changed it with two wires, red and black. This is the previous LED taken out from board, and this is the new LED which I am using here. Then I connected the wires to the LED. And then it's a good idea to check the LEDs of power bank module. Then I take Potentiometer and pass it through the switch hole. Then use super glue to hold the module with the box. And it fits perfectly. Battery indicators are in their places. Use 3.7 volt battery. My one is homemade. I made it with 14 mobile batteries connecting in parallel. And it makes the capacity of 12,000 mAh.
Connect the battery to the power bank module and LEDs.
And secure the connections with electric tape.
Put the battery inside the box and test all the things are working properly or not. In my case, all the things are working properly as shown here. Then take two pieces of rectangular plastic with aluminum foil coated, as they can be fitted at the end of box. Then I use a 60° 3-watt LED lens. Link of this is also in the description, you can buy from there. Take one piece of rectangular plastic and measure the size of lens and cut a hole to fix the lens in it.
And it should look like this.
Also make a place for USB charging port.
Then pass the LED through the hole and fix the rectangular plastic to the box. Then use super glue to fix the lens with the LED. And also fix the lens with the rectangular plastic. The lens LED will light up by pressing the switch for 5 seconds. And you can see how actually bright it is. The brightness of the main LEDs can be controlled by this potentiometer. As you can see, the light coming from the torch is too harsh. I decided to do something for it. LCD screen and open it. Take the alkali glass out from the LCD screen.
Here is a little example how it disperses light.
Then I marked the glass as the size of the box and cut it with a knife. Here it is what it looks at the end. I made it as it can secure the LEDs and also disperse the light. Should be perfectly fitted to the box as it can secure the LEDs. I also centered the upper side of the case as it can disperse light more effectively. Then glue the case with the box by using super glue. Now check how actually bright it is. Okay, it's very bright. Now check out the white LEDs. It's also very bright. Then take out a charge cable and insert any port of the power bank. You can charge 3 mobile phones at a time. See here, it's charging my mobile phone. The current coming from the power bank is 2 amps, so it can charge your phone quickly. You can charge this power bank by using any charger. As you can see, the LED indicator shows how much charge it is.
Here is an example that shows how much bright actually it is. Here is another example with lock exposure settings.
purchase the link of all things used in this video in the description. You can buy from there. And you might be wondering what is behind on my table. Actually, this is my previous project, a rock salt lamp. I put the video link in the description. I hope you will see that. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, then like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon to stay tuned with me. See you in the next video.